Welcome to Mrs. Taylor's math class. Today, I would like for you to practice with me writing equations of perpendicular lines. Now let's begin class. Here are your 4 problems. Pause the video. For question 1, write the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 1 and passes through the point 4, 3. So, with perpendicular lines, again, the slope, you have to identify the slope, but the new slope has to be opposite and the reciprocal. So in this case, opposite means opposite sign. So if I see a plus sign or I don't see a sign at all, that means it's positive. So it has to be negative now. And the reciprocal means that I need to go from 2 to 1/2. So basically, I'm just flipping the fraction. So my new m, or slope, is negative 1/2. And so I need to use the new slope and the point 4, 3 to write my equation for the line that is perpendicular to 2x plus 1. So I'm going to use point slope form because they gave me a point and the slope. So again, 4 is your x1, 3 is your y1. And so we have y minus 3 is equal to negative 1/2 times x minus 4. Now let's simplify this. Y minus 3 is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1/2 times the 4 is really 4 over 2. So we get this 2. You need to add 3 to both sides. And you are left with y equals negative 1/2 x plus 5. And you are done. For question 2, write the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2 and passes through the point 0, 1. So my current slope is negative 3 over 4. And my new slope has to be opposite, which is positive, and the reciprocal, which is 4 over 3. So I'm going to put this in point slope form. Y minus 1 is equal to 4 over 3 times x minus 0. And let's simplify this equation to solve for y. Do the distributive property first. Of course, I'm not going to multiply 4. I'm not going to write down the results of 4 over 3 times 0 because it's just 0. And so now I need to add 1 to both sides. And I get y is equal to 4 over 3 x plus 1. And now you are done. For question 3, write the equation of a line perpendicular to 3x minus y equal to 6 and passing through point 1, 4. This equation is in standard form, and we need to change it to slope-intercept form. So let's solve for y. So we have 3x minus y equal to 6. Subtract 3x from both sides. And we get negative y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. Now, this says negative y. I need to multiply everything by negative 1. so that I can have a positive y. So this would be y is equal to 3x minus 6. Okay, so now my current slope is 3, but my new slope is negative 1/3. So let's use the new slope and the 0.14 to write our new equation that is perpendicular to the given line. So we have negative 1/3 times x minus 1. Let's do the distributive property. Plus 1/3. And now we have plus 4. Ooh, I know some people don't like fractions, but don't be worried. I love fractions. So really I'm doing 1/3 plus 12 over 3. You know 12 over 3 is the same as saying 4. So my final answer is really going to be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 13 over 3. And you're done. For question 4, write the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 5 over 2x minus 4 and passing through the point negative 2, 3. So my slope is 5 over 2, but my new slope needs to be negative 2 over 5. And so my point is negative 2, 3. So I'm going to go y minus 3 is equal to negative 2 over 5 times x minus negative 2. And so I have y minus 3 equals negative 2 over 5 x. Oh, let me not go ahead of myself. Let me show all of my work. So let's go ahead and change this to the plus sign. Then I'll do my distributive property now. Don't want to confuse you. So now we distribute the negative 2 over 5. And we get negative 4 over 5 here. And so now let's add the 3. And now we have the situation where we have the whole number and a fraction. And I know you don't like that. Whoops. It's supposed to be a 5. And so this is really 4 over 5. And then, you know what? Let me erase this. Let's go where we have more room. Okay. So we are here. So y equals negative 2 over 5x. And we have the 4 over 5. And then we're going to add 3, but we're going to make the 3 look like a fraction with a denominator of 5. So it has to be 15 over 5. And that really equals 3. So now you go to your final answer. Y is equal to negative 2 over 5x plus 11 over 5. And you are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Class is dismissed.